Hello everybody, welcome to QB. Today we will be teaching you how to make a homemade stylus. So to make a homemade stylus, you should understand how the stylus or the touchscreen works. So here, what happens is when you touch the screen, charge flows from your hand to the touch screen. So when you make a stylus, what you must keep in your mind is you should make the charge flow from your hand to the touch screen using many means, using a conductor. So there are many ways to make a stylus. Either you can use an aluminium foil as a conductor or a copper wire as a conductor or even your pencil graphite lead as a conductor. So first method, what all you need is pair of scissors, cellophane tape, a pencil, some cotton, water and aluminium foil. Step 1. Take the pencil and wrap the aluminium foil around it. Step 2. Add some tape in the back. Step 3. Take some water and take some cotton. Take a small piece of cotton and gently put some water on it. Don't dip the cotton in water, but just gently put some water on it. Just so that it absorbs the water and doesn't become soaky. No drops should be falling. So step 5, you will have two parts. One part like this for the tip of the pencil and the other part where you wrap the pencil. So take the part of the tip of the pencil and now you can dip the cotton in water. Take little more cotton and take cotton in quite some quantity, dip it in water and put it inside here. Step 7. Take the tip of the aluminium pencil and then the actual pencil and insert this into this. After you have inserted, put a cello tape so that you join the two pieces of the aluminium. Step 8. Keep a little bit of cotton popping like this. So let's test how it works. Now the second type. What all you need for the second type of stylus is some cotton, cello tape, a pen, a piece of paper, sharpener, wire, pencil and scissors. Step 1. Take the pen and wire. So I have measured that till I will be holding somewhere here. So here to here I am going to cut. Step 2. Cut the rubber insulation in the two parts. If you have a completely copper wire, you can use that also. Next, cut the front part a little. You can extend this a little bit also. Like this. Next, put the wire inside this. and make sure that some part of the wire is coming out like this, and tape it. Next, cut this wire here. Next, take the pencil and take the sharpen and sharpen the pencil so that you get the graphite. So after you have got the graphite, take some cotton and rub the cotton on the graphite. Make sure it gets black on both sides. Next, take very less amount of water and put it on the graphited cotton so that it absorbs all the graphite. Next, take your pen with the copper and make sure that the copper wire is touching the cotton and place it. You can make it like this forward. Next, tape the tip of the cotton with graphite to the pen. But don't tape the complete tip, only the sides of the tip so that it is not affected by the place of the connector. Next, your pen is ready. Let's see how it works. While writing, you should keep holding this part of the wire. So, if I'm writing, I will hold this part of the wire like this. Place it here, then write. Let us see how it works. So, as you see, it is there. Now, our last method is take a metallic pen. What all you need is a metallic pen. As usual, you need some water and cotton. Take the pen, take the water and take the cotton. Dip the cotton in water. Only one side, and the other side put it very gently. One side completely dip, the other side put it gently. Or if you want, you can even take half of the cotton and dip it, and the other half just keep it lightly. Then the dip part of the cotton, put it inside the pen. So dip part of the cotton, put it inside the pen. Let the other part be open. So that's it with a metallic pen. It's very simple.
Thank you everybody for watching our video, and please subscribe to get more videos like this, and you can press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases.